Okay, which label did we not scan? And they make it easier for the customer to tip after the fact.
Yes, sir.
First order of the day, pulling up to Sam's Club. Got me a Spark order. I think it said $23.48 or $24, something like that. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, and on this channel, we help you maximize with gig apps. Today, we in parking spot number 4 at Sam's Club. I got me an order right here. $23.87, still 1-to-1. Miles to money ratio, not quite 2-to-1 like I would like it to be, but guess what? It's early in the morning. So guess what? I'm taking this order, and it's gonna put me 1/4 of the way to my daily goal, and I'm gonna have all day to make $75, which I'm gonna do hella fast. So I'm gonna make my money, I'm gonna make my profit, and I'm gonna make it quickly too. Shout out to all the gig workers out there. Shout out to all the content creators out there showing us gig workers the way to maximize and the way to make this money and to do it on our time and on our freedom. Alrighty, we all set. We got our first order of the day. $23.48 on this one. Let's go ahead and check it out. Got a couple cases of soda. What's this, some ice cream? Damn, that shit look good. If you enjoying this content, make sure you leave me with a like and a subscribe, and let's get right to it. Fat boy ice cream. Okay, so they going hard. All right, let's go ahead and get this dropped off. Alrighty, dropping off this Spark order. Make sure you scan everything. Easy drop off. A lot of miles on this one, but still good miles to money ratio. First order of the day. I ain't got no time to play. Alright. Okay, which label did we not scan? This one. Wow, this is crazy. Just got my next order. We got one of them batch joints, 63 bucks, 60 cents, 18 orders, 37 miles, 37.5 miles to be exact. Now check this out. I already did one order. This is my second order. These 2 orders alone, if once I get them done, gonna put me over 80 bucks. Now that's so close to my daily goal, I couldn't pass this order up. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna give myself 2 or more hours to get this done, because what you gotta realize is it's 30 miles, 37 miles, 63 bucks, almost 2-to-1 miles to money ratio right there. Now I'm pretty sure this is a .com order, batched order. Maybe it's a lot of no tip orders batched together, but that's fine because you can still add a tip afterwards. Just last week, I had an extra 80 bucks come through on my Walmart Spark deposit from extra tips that I got after the fact. After everything was already confirmed, I got $80 in extra tips from all the customers that I did. So I'm actually even more pushing for doing these .com batched orders now, because Walmart Spark take care of their drivers and they make it easier for the customer to tip after the fact. Even when they use EBT, even when they just order one item, Walmart Spark is hooking it up. So look, let me make sure my levels is coming in right. Yep, it look like we coming in good. We gonna try out this batch order. Now we is going over to the north side in St. Louis. So you know, that's where I'm from. I'm very familiar with those streets. I'm be able to, you know navigate myself appropriately and know where I'm going. It's early in the morning, so it's a good time to be knocking out these kind of orders and getting this money early in the day. And I'm putting myself in prime position to get that next order. Let's get it. Hey, shout out to St. Louis. St. Louis is so great. I just seen one of my old co-workers, right, from Cisco. I used to work at Cisco Foods out in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm pretty sure if you're familiar with the St. Louis area, you know where that's at. I just met with one of my old co-workers. He pulling up in that truck right there. Tell me why he doing Walmart Spark too. He said he walked out of the warehouse during COVID. Hey, I don't blame you, bro, getting that money. He just picked him up a batched order. I'm out here waiting on me a batched order. Man, we getting this money. Let's go. This is what I'm saying, man. Like, these gig apps, they allow you the freedom and flexibility to sit there and chat it up with somebody you ain't seen in about 6-7 years. And then we both can continue on and get this money. Let's go. Man, look at this shit. Whole fucking car full. Go ahead and get this money, man. I'm hella mad. Look at all these fucking packages. This shit is too much. And I gotta find multiple fucking bags at these damn stops. This shit is ridiculous. The only good thing is this motherfucker get dropped off first. So other than that, I don't know when it dropped off. Guess we're gonna have to roll with it. This one is fucked up. All this shit everywhere. We in my hood right now. This is Baden. Doing some Walmart Spark deliveries in Baden. Let's go. This is Highway 270 right here. We got about 7 or 8 of our Walmart Spark orders done, and our next ones are taking us into the beautiful city of Florissant. Let's get it. Now we are on New Halls Ferry heading into Florissant. I think we got 2 or 3 deliveries over here in the Florissant area, and then from there I think we're gonna be heading even more north. I picked up this batch in Granite City, so it's kind of surprising that the Walmarts over here in this Florissant area didn't carry any of the items that the customers just happen to order. A lot of times when the batch orders send you to a different area and it happens to be Walmarts in that area that it sends you to, is because the items that the customers have ordered aren't available at the Walmarts in those areas where the customers may reside. Therefore, those orders are being sent out to the other Walmarts in the surrounding area that potentially may have those orders. And when they do find a Walmart that can get the majority of those orders, they batch them together and then they send them to a Spark driver. And that's what we're doing right now. We're doing one of these batched orders, and it had us going on the north side a little bit. We went through the Baden area a little bit, then it slid us on up through North County, and now we on up here in Florissant. So we about to make this left up on here in West Florissant and head up on into Seven Hills. This is countryside, y'all. I can't even remember the last time I've been over here. They done painted all the buildings white, and some of the doors is orange, some of them yellow, some of them red. This is crazy. Look at this. If anybody from North County and you know where countryside is at, it's called Spanish Lake Townhomes now. Look at this. They got blue door. They got every color door. That is crazy. They got yellow, orange, blue, red, purple. They literally got every color door up in here. This is crazy. We finna go ahead and drop off this Walmart Spark order over here. But man, I cannot believe they doing this much renovation in countryside. Like, I never thought I'd see the day. Thank you, Google Maps, for giving me the wrong address, because this one is actually going to the next house. I appreciate that. There we go. Just got done with that Walmart Spark batched order. $63 and some change, 37 miles, and we got it all done in less than 2 hours. The time is now 1:21, so at 1:37 it would have been 2 hours, so we a little bit shy of that. I'm quite far outside of my zone because I'm all the way over here in North County now. So I'm about to leave this Estates of Spanish Lake retirement facility, and then we finna head on over back to my zone, because I don't really want to change zones and pick up over here, because then it's just gonna shoot me further out north, and there's nothing wrong with that, but I gotta go to the crib sooner or later. So we finna go ahead and try to get closer to my zone if possible, but I need that next order. I believe I'm sitting at, let me go ahead and check. So okay, so I'm sitting at 66 bucks, 67, no, scratch that. 63 bucks on that batch order I just did, and 23 bucks 87 cents on the first order. So adding those together, we looking at about $87 combined all together for this shift. Not bad. And all together is 2 hours, because my first Sam's Club order, that one took me about 15 minutes to do, and then another 5 minutes went by before I accepted this batch order. So we at a total time of 2 hours right now. Let's see if we can keep this going. Can I hit my $100 before we get to that 3 hour mark? Let's see. Yes, sir, coming through for the win. I sat here for like 2 minutes. I just opened up YouTube, was checking out a couple videos. Shout out to all my content creators out there. I do see you, and I will be responding to a lot of what's going on in the community. But I just got my next order, y'all. We got $25.18. Shop and deliver. This is shop and pay order right here on Walmart Spray. Let me see. $25.18, 6.6 miles. Let's get it. I'm about to knock this thing on out. This is exactly what I was hoping I was gonna get, because now with this order, I'm gonna be over my $100 goal. And that's not even the best part. The best part is this order is bringing me from over here in North County back to my zone, back to where I want to be. So it's like it's calling me back over there, and I'm not driving back over there without an order, or driving over there and trying to find the order. So this is the best case scenario. I got a 10-minute drive. Let's see. Yep, I got a 10-minute drive back over here to my zone. Let's go ahead and get it. Then the shop and pay is only, what? It's only 8 items on this order. And then what makes it even better, the delivery direction is heading even closer towards my house. Let's get it. This is what I like to see right here. It's mostly produce and some barbecue sauce. Now let's go ahead and head to checkout. Alrighty, let's drop off this Walmart Spark Shop and Deliver. 24 or 25 bucks on this one. Front door service. Let's go. Just like that. And then take that picture. Boom. The money is made just like that. Alrighty, now we back in the zone now. Let's go ahead and confirm this one. And hopefully I get another one right away, because I am getting pretty hungry. It's about lunchtime. And I ain't ate nothing all day. I even skipped breakfast this morning because I wanted to go ahead and head out right away and get right to that money. So if I can get another one, I'm gonna keep it going. But if not, I might have to stop and get some lunch. Let's see what Walmart Spark's talking about. But since I'm in the zone, I could also go ahead and pop on Uber too. So let's do that. I mean, I could pop on DoorDash too, but holding off. I'm not in no rush to just hop on DoorDash. We can see what's going on right here on these 2 apps. Alrighty, let's pull out of these nice people driveway, and we can pull right over here. I like to pull off and before I start really doing my recordings, but sometimes you just gotta hit record and let the people know what's going on. Alright, we got Uber going. Let's see if we can get a nice little order on Uber. Car seats all jacked up. There we go. Alrighty, that was a horrible offer. $3.02 for 4 miles. Not even a dollar tip on that one. That was just all base pay. 7-Eleven order, so not really sure what was going on with that, but I ain't got time for that. I'm gonna wait for something good. Haven't got nothing on Spark yet. Uber only sent me that one, but we will see what we get though. I'm taking a quick break. I'm about to head in, get me something to eat real quick. I'm sitting at 100 and what's that, 60 plus another 40. I'm sitting at $109 right now on 3 hours of work. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out this next one up here. It's the one YouTube thinks you should watch next, and I'll catch you in the next one.